What if I told you that the reason you're losing your balance has almost nothing to do with getting older, and everything to do with 5 hidden problems that most doctors never check for? I'm not talking about weak legs. I'm not talking about needing a walker. I'm talking about silent, invisible changes happening inside your body right now that are quietly stealing your stability, one step at a time. And the scariest part? Most seniors don't notice until they've already had a near fall or worse. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which of these 5 hidden causes is affecting you. And I'll give you 3 simple exercises you can do at home today that can start rebuilding your balance in as little as 5 minutes a day. Here's what makes this urgent. According to the CDC, 1 in 4 Americans over 65 falls every year. That's not a small number, that's 36 million falls. And every 11 seconds, a senior is treated in an emergency room for a fall injury. Every 19 minutes, a senior dies from one. But here's the part nobody tells you. Most of those falls are not caused by what you think. They're not caused by slippery floors or bad lighting or tripping over a rug. Those are triggers. The real cause is what's happening inside your body, 5 specific problems that make you vulnerable to that rug, that curb, that dark hallway in the first place. And when you understand these 5 causes, something powerful happens. You stop blaming age. You start fixing what's actually broken. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. I'm counting them down from 5 to 1 because number 1 is the most overlooked, the most dangerous, and the one almost every senior ignores. Because number 5, muscle loss that walking alone can't fix. Now, I know what you're thinking. I walk every day. I'm active. My legs are fine. And walking is great for your heart, for your lungs, for your mood. But here's what most seniors don't realize. Walking does not build the specific muscles that keep you upright when you stumble. Starting in your 40s, you lose muscle mass every year. It's called sarcopenia. And by the time you're in your 60s or 70s, that loss can be enough to turn a small stumble into a serious fall. Why? Because the muscles that catch you when you trip, your hip stabilizers, your ankle reflexes, your core, are not the same muscles you use for a casual walk. Let me tell you about Dorothy. Dorothy was 72, retired school principal, walked 2 miles every morning without fail. She thought she was doing everything right. But one evening, when her granddaughter bumped into her during a family game, Dorothy nearly toppled. She couldn't recover her balance in that split second. Walking had kept her heart healthy, but her hip and core muscles, the ones that react when you're pushed off center, had quietly weakened over the years. The fix? 10 minutes of strength training, 3 times a week. Bodyweight squats near a chair. Seated leg raises. Wall push-ups. You don't need a gym. You don't need weights. You need to give your body the power to react when something unexpected happens, because that's the moment that decides whether you catch yourself or hit the floor. Because number 4, the medication trap. Many balance problems don't start in your muscles or your joints. They start in your pill organizer. Blood pressure medications, allergy pills, pain relievers, sleep aids, even certain eye drops, all of these can cause dizziness, blurred vision, slower reflexes, or a dangerous drop in blood pressure when you stand up. And because these effects build gradually, you don't notice them until you've already had a wobbly moment or a near fall. Consider Frank. Frank was 68 on a new blood pressure medication his doctor prescribed 3 months ago. He started feeling lightheaded every time he stood up from his recliner, but he figured it was just his age. One morning he stood too quickly, his blood pressure dropped, his legs gave out, and he fell face first into his kitchen table. A simple medication review revealed his dosage was dropping his blood pressure too low when standing. A small adjustment stopped the dizziness completely. Here's what to do. Keep an updated list of every medication and supplement you take, including over-the-counter products. If you notice any change in your balance, vision, or alertness, write it down and tell your doctor. Never stop a medication suddenly, but never assume that dizziness is just part of aging. That assumption is exactly what makes this cause so dangerous. Cause number 3, vision changes your brain depends on. Here's something most people never learn. Your eyes are not just for seeing. They're one of the three main balance systems in your body. Along with your inner ear and your muscles, your eyes constantly send your brain information about where you are in space, how fast you're moving, and how far away that curb is. When that input gets fuzzy from an outdated prescription, cataracts, glare, or scratched lenses, your brain gets slower, less accurate signals, and your balance suffers immediately. The fix? Schedule an eye exam at least once a year after 60, even if you think your vision hasn't changed. Clean your glasses daily. Replace scratched lenses because tiny scratches scatter light and blur depth perception. And around your home, add brighter bulbs in hallways, staircases, and entryways. Good lighting is a safety net for your eyes, especially at night when your balance system is already working harder. If this is starting to connect with you, if you've had a moment where you felt unsteady and told yourself it was nothing, do two things right now. Hit subscribe so you don't miss next week's video, because I post weekly content specifically for seniors over 60, always backed by research. And share this with someone you care about, because the next two causes are the ones that catch people off guard the most. Cause number 2, your inner ear, the vestibular system, and why it's silently sabotaging your balance. This is the hidden cause that almost no one talks about, and it's responsible for a huge percentage of unexplained balance problems in seniors over 60. Your inner ear contains 3 tiny semicircular canals filled with fluid. These canals detect every tilt, turn, and shift of your head. They tell your brain whether you're standing upright, leaning sideways, or rotating. It's your internal gyroscope, and after 60, this system can degrade in ways you'd never suspect. The fluid becomes less responsive. The hair cells that detect movement thin out. And the result? You feel fine standing still, but the moment you turn your head to look over your shoulder, to check traffic before crossing, to reach for something on a shelf, you feel a brief wave of dizziness or unsteadiness that passes so quickly you barely register it. Here's the critical insight. Balance problems don't usually show up when you're standing perfectly still. They show up when your body has to move when you turn, shift, or react. And that's exactly what the vestibular system controls. According to research published in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society, over 40% of adults over 65 have some degree of vestibular dysfunction. Most have no idea. They just notice they feel less confident when turning, or they grab the counter more often when reaching sideways. And here's the connection most people, including many doctors, miss. Hearing loss and balance loss are linked. Your inner ear controls both. If you've noticed hearing changes, your balance may already be affected. If you wear hearing aids, keep them in during the day. Studies show they actually reduce fall risk by improving spatial awareness. Cause number 1, the fear-fall cycle. This is the most overlooked, the most dangerous, and the one almost every senior ignores because it doesn't feel like a physical problem. It feels like being careful. Here's how it works. You have one near fall. Maybe you stumbled on a curb or felt wobbly getting out of bed at night. Nothing bad happened, but it scared you. So the next time you walk, you unconsciously change how you move. Your steps get shorter. Your feet stay closer to the floor. You shuffle instead of stepping. You grab the counter, the wall, the furniture. You think you're being safe. But what you're actually doing is teaching your body to stop trusting itself. Every shuffled step is a step where your foot doesn't lift properly. Every wall grab is a moment where your balance muscles don't have to work. And over weeks and months, your body gets weaker at the exact skill you need, most the ability to recover balance when something unexpected happens. This is called the fear-fall cycle, and research from the Cochrane database of systematic reviews shows that seniors who fear falling are twice as likely to actually fall, not because they're more clumsy, but because their fear changes how they move, which makes them weaker, which makes falls more likely. It's a devastating loop, and the most dangerous part? The cycle is invisible. You don't feel your steps getting shorter. You don't notice you're reaching for the counter more often. You just feel like you're being careful. But what you're actually being is trapped in a cycle that's quietly making you less stable every single day. Let me bring this all together. The 5 hidden causes stealing your balance. Muscle loss that walking can't fix. Medications that cause dizziness vision changes your brain depends on. Vestibular dysfunction in your inner ear, and the fear-fall cycle that makes you shuffle instead of step. Which of these 5 causes surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. And if someone in your life is over 60 and has mentioned feeling unsteady, share this video with them today. It might be the 10 minutes that keeps them independent for the next decade. Subscribe to Age-Wise Fitness for weekly, research-backed health content designed specifically for seniors over 60. No fluff, no fear-mongering. Just the information your body needs you to know. Medical disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult your doctor before starting any new exercise routine or changing medications. If you experience dizziness, fainting, or persistent balance problems, seek medical evaluation immediately.